Caddy Daddy. For over 41 years, we've been supplying you with vintage Cadillac parts and specializing in 1959s. And that's what we have here, the 59 iconic Fleetwood. So about a year ago, we started offering Buick, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac parts. Take a look. We are also Caddy Daddy Presents, which shows you what's going on, how we do things. And I'm working with Chris, who's really never taken a car apart. And he is taking this car apart piece by piece. And as we do it, we're going to find parts on here that he and I both don't have the solution for. And we're going to ask you, what do you think? Like, let's walk over here to this part that we've looked at that we've kind of was stripped out before. We want your suggestions. This is a bolt. We've tried an impact hammer on it, and that didn't work. We have soaked it. That didn't work. We haven't tried heat. We haven't tried a chisel, and certainly don't want to put a cutting torch on this. So if you have any suggestions, just let us know, and we'll kind of put them into a hat. And we only have one, and we'll go with that. So, but we want to know what you think. And as we go along, we're probably going to run into other areas. I mean, personally, I've taken apart 34, 35 Cadillacs. And so this is the iconic 59 Fleetwood, a parts car for our 59 Eldorado Baritz that Neil Young sold us that we're restoring slowly. Today, we're going to try to, and Chris is, remove the water pump. And over here, he'll remove the steering pump and also the housing for the water pump and oil filter. And if everything goes well, he'll get the intake manifold and carburetor. Next week, we're hoping we have a break in the weather. Today is March the 15th. We have been deluged with rain. We're in the Napa Valley, California. It has been nonstop. So we just uncovered this car, and we hope to get the radiator support off and listed next week, and then work our way inwards on getting everything off, including the fender, the gun sight, the wing, the shield, the antenna, the bezel, and more. So join this journey with us. And I'm John with Caddy Daddy and Caddy Daddy Presents.